gentlemen, me Matthew Mouse to office pro Governor, the Governor staff. Thank you, Upstate Office Division of Education, present to our Governor. His weakness is education. When you talk to, when you talk about other things, you will have to convince him. But when you come speak about education, you will kill him on the spot. That's the Governor of Morobe. Honorable Lutawenge is so fascinated about making sure that every part of Morobe must be educated and must be educated in a way where they must move with the current trend of change, and that is information. So you guys are bringing information to the rural parts of Morobe. We thank you for making Lesek and Busu become competitive. They are in the top 10 of all the universities in the country now. Busu and Lesek are always in the top 10 in the last 5 years. And thank you. But going forward, the 50 schools, as Ezekiel talked, we'll go back and we'll make sure that these 50 schools, that is the PhD submission reply, it has to come to the PA's office and approve for payment, and you guys move. You plug a triple or whichever school that you looking on, you are going to put the basic library for startup, you do it. If you see that you want to come and help, bring Leseko, bring Bugendio, bring Busu to rural areas, and make our people in the bush, the school, being a Lesek student or Bugendi student in the bush, you do that. If you can work with an MOA with the education department, or MOU with the education department, with the secondary schools, or if it means that you come back, you go do a MOA with the Office of the Governor, Office of the Provincial Administrator, with University of Technology and Polytech, and then bring University of Technology and Polytech to the rural people of Binyama, to the rural people of Siasi. That is the basic idea of Honorable Lutawenge Sawenge. He is right by education, so Mitla Governor's Office now, Mitla staff, we are honored, we are privileged to be sitting here and receiving personal and information from the director. Thank you. And we will do our part. Na Mitla like mo se mo Lespan Rompla, or Bus Pikini Rompla, almost civil education, same kind of Mangi town. They must go to university or other activity institutions. So Mitok, thank you as a team now and challenge doing me. Chief of staff and no staff, but Simaus the chief of staff, what the project manager, project coordination team, that's what we staff on them, or administration law, office of the chief of staff. We will push it and we will go see the PA, we'll make it a priority, we'll bring the submission back. That is the check must come out, we will achieve the 50 plus school. If it means that we draw down a running phase 20, do that. As long as people of Morobe, through the students, must benefit. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lord. Team Plaka, God bless you.
Awatan di Kurang.